Ms. Tam, Dr. Fong, Dr. Law, Christina, and Winky. First of all, I guess you may wonder why Dr. Sarah Lau, our master, is not here. She just called me 2 hours ago that she has flu and she doesn't think she's fit enough to come to the dinner tonight. So she asked me to send her apology. So because I only have 2 hours, I don't know what I'm going to say. But the thing is, what she wants for me to do is to wrap up the year's activity. This is actually the last formal high school dinner we have in the academic year. This year we actually have a very busy year, as you would imagine. We have quite a lot of activities in comparison with previous years. In both semesters, of course, we have a lot of environment-related or sustainability-related activities. The Blue Sky program, for example, and we're particularly happy to see some of the outcomes from the energy program. So you see, some of you are actually using the mosquito nets that the student team arranged for you to purchase. This is one initiative so that you can keep out of the mosquito and start using the air conditioner in a way, hopefully to save some energy. And there are other recommendations out of these Blue Sky teams, one of which is, I think, very soon we'll try to turn off one of the lifts in the non-busy hours. So normally we have 3 lifts available. So in the midnight, they have actually conducted some assessment, counting the number of people using the lifts. So I think we can afford to turn one off to save some energy. So all these are very encouraging results that New College hoped through our program generate some behavioral changes, some new policies which can help us to reduce our footprint on the environment. And last week, we also have our first ever examination in New College. It's not credit bearing. Some of you may know we have been running a sustainable living course. So in the course, we taught students many things, many aspects of sustainable development. So there are lectures, there are field visits, there are also visits to some facilities in Hong Kong. There are seminars by people from different professions talking about energy efficiency, waste management, and so on. So we had the examination this week in New College. I think this also marked a very important milestone for the college, because when university set up before colleges, they really want us to have more informal education programs that students residing here can take the opportunity to learn something new to them. And we have decided to focus on environment because this is mine and also Dr. Liao's expertise and our network. So that's why we run the Sustainable Living course. And over 30 students have participated. And it's actually quite a demanding course. I think it's equivalent to a 6-credit course in the university in terms of the contact hours and so on. So I'm very happy with the result, and I will conduct an evaluation and see next year what we can do in generating learning opportunities for you. So finally, thank you everyone for taking good efforts in joining the wide variety of activities. And I also appreciate some of you who take the effort in organizing some meaningful events, particularly like the upcycling of soap, making soup using waste materials and so on. So these are all activities that we want to see that you would be interested and are able to organize yourselves instead of the staff team providing all the programs to you. So this is another thing I think this year is very good and worth mentioning. So I hope you have a wonderful year in the New College. And last but not least, I wish everyone who is going to have the exam super pass. Thank you.